Hi, welcome to I Shoot Watches. My name is Dayton. Today I just did a quick test of the camera system, and part of what I'm trying to do is get ready to be able to do real-time videos of complete watch rebuilds. But in order to do that, I need to be comfortable with the way of working where I'm not burdened by the fact that there are 8 cameras recording. So I think I finally got it, and there's a test I did that I'm going to play as soon as I'm done with this introduction, which was just me figuring everything out. And just like most of the people that watch this channel are used to watching watchmaking videos, which are about watchmaking, there's a whole aspect of my camera system that also involves a lot of mechanics or whatever, electronics, mechanics, etc. So what I finally got was, in terms of setup, I finally got to this point where I have the microscope. I can use the microscope. I can actually work with it. And I can... Sorry, just trying to get this. So I'm not going to unscrew anything right now, but like if I wanted to, I could undo this screw here. So you can see in all the different cameras, you can see what I'm doing. So you can see the tools I'm using. I can talk to the camera. You can see what's on my computer screen. You can see this microscope view, which is the same thing I see. And so I can do real-time videos in which the camera sees everything. And then we have this ability to really zoom in. Sorry. Let's just try to... So the one thing I have to get used to is hand-eye coordination in terms of working under the microscope. I should open that from the other side. I should rotate that. But anyway, that's an example of how the system is going to work, and how I think I'll be able to get used to working under it, so I can do a complete rebuild using all the tools the way they're supposed to be used and completely visible the whole time. And then I can do cut downs. So I can do the real-time thing so you see what actually transpired. I can do a 20-minute cut down so you can see, for people who just want to see the key points and have a voiceover explaining everything. And then I can also do like a 60-second cut down for YouTube Shorts. So that, in the end, that will be my routine, and I'll clean and rebuild all the watches I own and any new watches. There's one thing that's kind of funny is that this, let's see if that hair is still on there. See that black hair on the tip of that thing? On the tip of that Radico? That was inside the watch. I mean, it was inside this Patek movement. When I first looked at it, it was on this gear. I'll probably drop the hair back inside. It was on that gear down in the lower level down there. So I reached through this gear to that gear and I grabbed that. And I think that must be something that... Did I lose it again? Yeah, it fell off somewhere. Oh, do you see that? You can't see that. There's a little hair there too. Or not a hair, but... Okay, so now where did I drop that thing? Anyway, what watchmaker wouldn't... You know, if you pull out a movement and you see like a hair on it or inside it, who wouldn't want to pull that out? Okay, so I'm going to put this stuff away. I'm going to cut to the video of me setting this thing up. But one more little test. See, that screwdriver, that's interesting too. That screwdriver is not wide enough, but it's also not sharp enough. Like this screwdriver is not correct for that screw. So the other thing I'm going to get into when I start doing proper videos is I'm going to show how to keep the screwdriver sharp all the time. Make sure you're always using the right screwdriver for the purpose, etc., etc. That was nice. Okay, so there you go. All ready to do whatever comes next. Thanks a lot. Cutting now to the testing and setup of the system. Okay, so this zooms in. This gets focused. This gets zoomed in. We can zoom this in just for this experiment. Okay, and then this guy needs to get adjusted. Now what's interesting here is that you can do this. So you can actually see what screw I'm going into here. Fairly comfortable height for just sitting. The only thing is the ring light. But anyway, like if we look at this, the idea behind this is you've got to always hold that steady. Let's just take out the stem here. So you got this. The overhead. I wish the ring light was not so big. That's the only thing. I can cheat just a hair back like this. In a way, that's even better. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, so if we want to center this in the microscope, and then we want to center it here, that's the only shitty thing about this whole thing. It looks a little bit low, actually, right? Okay, but that's fine, because then I just tilt down a bit. Now, let me see how far in I can zoom. How did that happen? I don't want that. Top view, side view, top view, angle view. Zoomed all the way in. This guy, this guy. Now, if we're looking at that jewel right there, focus there. It's already kind of focused there. Let me pretend like I was going to screw. Oh boy. Okay, so this screwdriver is too big. So that is in my opinion kind of amazing. What just happened there? So if you look at this, there's like some dirt right here. And here. So let's do a little tweezer thing too as a test. So to release this jewel, what we're going to do is squeeze here. There you go. Open that up. Now to get that jewel out, probably have to actually use some Rodico or something. So basically right there you can see that that jewel, or that that seems okay to me. Let me see if I can pick this up. That's insane. See that? I gotta get used to doing this because that is so much more interesting. I mean, look at that. So maybe if that chatone, I thought I pulled this out and I thought I determined, oh yeah, look at how that goes up so high. So maybe it's the bottom that's broken. Okay, anyway, I gotta stop this. Check, check. Nice. Okay, good stop. Stop the